2-hour special. There's 20 magicians on the
20
show.
magicians.
And
Wow.
I do the big finale. I'm handcuffed and chained, locked in this mailbag, locked in the back seat of a police car, and I have to escape before the car's dropped into an industrial shredder. And I have to escape before the car is shredded up.
Can't wait to see that.
You know, that's why
I made it. I'm here, obviously.
That's why when you're a nice guy, if you had 19 other magicians who haven't hit the pinnacle you have, you wouldn't want them around when all this was happening.
So my little
That
glue
might
in the
be-
locks,
yeah, just a
little
little.
bird shot in the locks. There you go.
That's it. But we got one other thing we do on the show. We always ask our guests their 5 favorite movies.
Movies.
If you were going to a desert island, what would be the flicks you'd
Okay,
take with
TV and a
you?
VCR there.
First of all, I'd have to take Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Oh,
that's a
because
great movie.
my whole life is based on that movie.
Okay.
I'd have to take Citizen Kane,
Citizen
obviously.
Kane. All right.
And then I think the rest would probably be like, well, The Wizard of Oz. I like to see that one over and over again. Star Wars.
The classics.
And I got to have a 5th one. Let me
A
think.
guilty pleasure.
Oh.
A guilty pleasure.
A guilty
classic.
pleasure.
Maybe RoboCop.
RoboCop.
Yeah,
Oh, this is a
RoboCop.
good list. It's amazing how much you really can learn about somebody from the movies they choose.
I like all those science fiction fantasy movies. I like the movies with Arnold and James Bond
And they're making a peak right now, just like Magic's at its
those
peak.
those are my kind of movies.
Oh,
Action,
the Bond movies. Now that's
fantasy.
Shredder. Was that like in the Goldfinger
Exactly.
Shredder?
That's where
Oh.
that's where it wasn't my idea. The producers came up with. They said, what could we do? And I thought, Goldfinger. Remember when he was put into the
Sure.
cruncher,
Those are
the
great
car was
scenes.
crunched into a cube. Well, they found out they don't use those anymore. Now they shred them into pieces of shrapnel, which is even more terrifying.
That's going to be on the special. We have to take a break. We're going to be back with our video picks, and maybe you'll throw one in too.
Welcome back to the Entertainment Files, and as you could see, the answer was Get to Know Your Rabbit. That's a movie where Tom Smothers was a tap-dancing magician. That's a hard one.
That's right. You guessed that one.
You
Love.
did.
You're
I
very
did.
good.
I guessed it.
And that had Orson Welles in it, who was a big magic buff.
Oh,
They were
yeah.
in Vegas for a while.
That's
yes.
right. That was my video pick, and that's Casino Royale. It got a bad rap when it came out, this movie, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. But apparently Peter Sellers was so temperamental that he would not be in the studio on the same day as Orson Welles. So their climactic big card game was shot on separate days, different things. But Orson Welles does the classic Azra, Floating of a Lady. It's gorgeous. How about a video pick from you for On Magic?
Video pick from me will be Houdini, starring Tony Curtis and Janet Leigh and Bill Larson.
And Bill Larson,
our
as
old
we
friend
now
Bill.
discover. That's right.
Well, I'll pick a little movie. You probably haven't seen it. It's called The Escape Artist. It starred Griffin O'Neill, and he plays a young talent who is sort of exploited by the adults around him. It was Desi Arnaz's last film, and it's out there on videos.
That's right. Harry Anderson was
Harry
in that.
Anderson was in that.
I
and
remember when
also
that came out.
some of the original Bowery Boys, Hunts Hall and Gabriel Dell.
That was a fun one.
Was that a made-for-TV movie?
No, actually, it was produced by Francis Ford Coppola was the executive producer, and it was a theatrical film.
It was a fun. I have a copy of that too. I'm going to have to send
I'll
you some
love to see
movies.
it, yeah.
No, and people can see you at the Monte Carlo for the next
12 years.
12 years.
Yes, 12 more years to
Wonderful
go.
show. And if people haven't seen it, you really have to come by and
Oh,
see
thank
it.
you.
Everyone in Magic was so proud with the theater, the show, and what you did. And
Oh,
we
thank
very
you.
much appreciate
And
you
that's
being.
something even Houdini didn't get to, did he?
That's
Having his
right.
own theater.
Nope. You started the trend.
Knock on
named
wood.
after you.
Knock on wood.
Well, thank you very much indeed for
Thanks,
guesting
Nick.
with us.
Thanks, Sean.
Lance, really
All
appreciate
right. We'll be back with more Entertainment Files next week.
it. We'll talk to you then.